reason number one why the Toyota hybrid batteries goes bad. Check this out. So if you found the vehicle in this condition, guess how the battery is gonna be. So stick around, let's check it out. Took up everything. Check this out, look. But the worst of all is, of course, the cooling system of the battery. A complete mat that blocks all the air coming inside the battery, and then of course it's gonna make the battery overheat. Now look at this side. Oh boy, yeah, not looking good, eh? Don't really judge whoever uses the vehicle and carries it at this condition. It's not about that. It's about being educated by following this channel, so you will be aware now that driving a hybrid vehicle with an active air cooling system in this condition, yes, that is for sure a high voltage battery killer. Then there's a lot of people saying, no, these vehicles are a piece of crap, those batteries don't last nothing. Seriously, let me show you inside. What you see there is exactly the blades. Of course, the level of efficiency of blowing inside the cooling fan to cool the battery is 0. And then bye-bye battery. Now you know the answer why these batteries don't last absolutely nothing in just a few years. Most of the time is because of related that the batteries begin to overheat. Everything is always just related to lack of maintenance. These batteries are supposed to last 10 to 15 years, well kept, maintained. And after service, this is how the cabin is supposed to see. Absolutely as clean as it gets. The only way to keep your battery alive for many years, keep it clean. That's the big secret. Stick around for more tips.